Hey guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to unbox my new phone. I bought it last December 12, 2019. So this is the phone that I got from Answer Gallery. So I got the iPhone 11 Pro Max in midnight green, 256 GB. So all my friends and family knows that I'm using, or for the blogging, I'm using my iPhone 6s. This one is I bought since 2016, so October 2016. So I have this phone already for almost 3 years before buying this new one. So I just need an upgrade because my 6s is having an issue already, because I think it's already overused and abused everything, because most of the time I'm using it for blogging, for pictures, for work, everything, for social media, watching YouTube. So it's already abused for the year. So maybe if he's talking, or my iPhone 6s is talking, he will already curse me and tell me to change me and let me rest. So right now I'm using still the 6s to film this unboxing because it's still in the box. So I'm going to show you guys my 6s, and then I'm going to try to set it up, and then for this vlog I'm going to insert a few vlogs using this phone and my 6s. So I'm going to make a comparison between the 6s and then the 11 Pro Max. So let's start with the unboxing. So if you're going to ask if how much I bought this one, so in Qatar it's selling for 5,000, I think 5,100 Qatari riyals for the 256 GB. So I got it on sale. I think not that big sale, but I got it for 4,899. So it's lesser of 200 riyals also. So that's a saving for me. And if you're going to ask if I bought it on my own, no, I didn't bought it on my own, and I'm thankful because my father gave me the half of the amount, and then I pay the other half for this phone. So it's like my Christmas gift and birthday gift. And guys, don't worry, because I'm not like other girls that always changing her phone every year. There's a new one. So maybe I will use it again for the next years. So that's it guys. So let's start with the unboxing guys. I'll peel it off here. This is the one. So it has the black case. My 6s before, I think it's white box. So this is the one, the midnight green. So that's the box. You paid this one, also the box, and including the plastic. You paid everything for this phone, so you need to handle it with care. So let's start with unboxing. I'm so scared. This is the new one. So I got the biggest one because as per my friend, I have a bad influence friend, because before I'm trying to get only the Pro with 256 GB, and then I went with my friend in mall yesterday looking for the 64 the 256 GB Pro, but in Monobricks it's on sale. It's around 4,350, but it's already out of stock, and I think the sale is already done. So we went to Ansar Gallery in the same mall, and they have a promotion for the 256 GB Pro. It's around 2,599, and then for the Pro Max it's 2,000. No, it's 4,599 for the 11 Pro 256 GB, and then for the 11 Pro Max 256 GB it's 4,899. So she's telling me, no, go for the Pro Max, just go, because you're just going to buy it once and you're not going to purchase again for the next few years, because I know you will not buy every year to change your phone, because money is hard to earn here. And so yes, so when in Ansar there's no stock of the midnight green, because first thing I'm planning to get the gold one for the any 11 Pro or the Pro Max. I'm planning to get the gold one, but when I saw it, I feel it doesn't look like that good. for me, for my side. So I was thinking to get the space gray or the midnight green. So I still end up getting the midnight green since I feel like this one is a good colors. This one is a good color also, and this one is the new one. So I was trying to find it, and then I can't find it in the mall. So we went here near my house. There's a mini branch of the Answer Gallery. So we went there, and this is I think the last stock. And then she's telling me, no, go now, go for the Pro Max. So thank you, Mom's Choice. So you know already who's the girl that I'm talking about that is bad influence for me to get this phone. So let's remove it in the back. So this is the one. Before I peel it off, I'm going to show you what's inside the box. So this is the one. And then inside the box, you will find the manual. Okay, this is the normal manual. And then the headphone. And then the charger. This one is Type C, the bottom part. And then the lightning cable. They call it lightning cable with Type C also. So let's start peeling off the plastic for the 11. So this is the one that I got. As you can see, it's reflecting my phone and the driver and the mess in the background, and then it's matte in the back and frosted. So now before I'm planning to get the 2-burner gas stove. I'm calling the 11 2-burner gas stove, and this one is the 3-burner gas stove because of the camera. So let's start the phone. So let's start. Oh my god, it takes so long. So excited. I'm scared to touch it because it will leave fingerprints. So it's still starting up. Hola. So as per here, swipe up. This is the first time that I'm going to use without the home button, like in the 6S. So I don't know how to use it actually. So swipe up. So then English, and then select your country. They're telling me to select it in USA, so I'm going to select it in USA. So I think the reason is because of for the apps, I'm not sure, so I'm going to select USA because my 6S before I selected it for the Philippines. I think the country is in the Philippines. Even I bought it here in Qatar also. So I selected already the US, so it shows like this. And then set up manually. I think I will select manually. So I'm going to connect it in the Wi-Fi here at home. So I'll just input the password. After connecting, take 3 minutes to activate your iPhone. So guys, the phone is still setting up, and my phone just died. That's also the reason why I bought a new one, because the battery of my 6S is always dying every time. I think the reason is it's overused, guys. So I need always it in the charger. So I'm always bringing power bank also. But I'm planning to change the battery of this one, my 6S, because I think that will use it, or my cousin is asking for the 6S. So that's the reason also. Still loading. Okay, it shows like this. Data and privacy. This icon appears when Apple features as used for personal. You won't see this every time. Click continue. Face ID. So I'm going to set up the face ID. I shouldn't. Let's start. So position your frame to be in the frame. So move your face circular. Face ID is set up now. So that's the one. And then he's asking me to create a password. So I create the password. So there's an option, guys. I don't know if 6S before, there's an option to change it from 6 digit to 4 digits. So I choose 4 digits only. So it's asking already restore from iCloud backup, restore from Mac or PC, transfer. So that's the option if you want to transfer the files. Because I have I forgot two verifications, so it's sending a notification to my other 6S that I'm using the email of my iCloud. So showing I already set it up, so there's a notification in my 6S, and then I don't know if it's captured by my phone. I'm not sure if it stopped recording. So I got the code and the verification code, so it's setting up again as for this. So guys, it asked me if I need iCloud Drive. So this afternoon I'm trying already to use the iCloud Drive, but the problem is in my 6S, I don't know why I cannot connect it. So I'm trying to back up my WhatsApp account because there's some messages there that is important, work related messages. So I'm trying to back it up, but it's not working. That's why I didn't also transfer the files from 6S to here because of that reason. So I'll try transferring the files later on when I already back up my WhatsApp, because I'm going to switch phones already. And then it's asking express settings, allows map and other apps, help us, this. So I'll click continue and then keep your iPhone up to date, delete this, install update manually. So what I'm doing here is I'm choosing the install updates manually because I don't want it just getting it updated every now and then. So I still want a control in my phone. So it's showing Pay. I think this is Apple Pay. So I'll do set up later in one because I don't have Apple Pay. And then Siri is asking, do you Siri press hold and the side button of say hey Siri anytime. But the problem is my voice right now it's not okay, so I'm going to set up later. And then screen time, showing me screen time. There's too many things you need to set it up, that's why. Screen time, get a weekly report with insights about your screen. Asking like this one, true tone display. So if you see it without true tone, it's like bluish. So I'm going to continue with true tone. So I'm still using, there's an option of light or dark. So I'm using dark mode already. See, I'm using the dark mode, which is much better for me. So I think display is, I'll choose standard. Home, bottom, swipe from the bottom edge at any time to go. Continue. Welcome to iPhone. So guys, it's saying welcome to iPhone already. So swipe up, okay. So it's done already. I'm done setting up. So I don't know why I have notification already. So guys, I'm going out with a friend, with Mom Shijoy. So I'm going to use my 6S and my new phone to take pictures, videos, so we can compare the difference. I'm sure there's a big difference and there's too many videos already in YouTube doing that, but I want to do it for myself also, just for fun. That's it, guys.